Welcome to Dr. Imran's official. In today's video we will discuss action of infraspinatus muscle. The infraspinatus is a thick triangular muscle that occupies much of the infraspinous fossa of the scapula. It is a member of the rotator cuff, commonly remembered by the mnemonic, sits. Supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, subscapularis. Action. Infraspinatus is the main external rotator of the shoulder joint. It assists in producing shoulder extension. With the arm fixed, it abducts the inferior angle of the scapula.